I survived my drive home from my lunch break. Okay, here we go. Welcome to the Alaskan Public Library.